All right, our next presenter is Jessica Bernardin from Boise State University.
Microbes are bacteria and fungi that are virtually invisible. And despite their small size, they're found not only on, but also in all living things. The natural world is teeming with microbes. In fact, the average person carries around between 2 and 6 pounds of microbes with them every day. Don't worry, the majority of those microbes live in harmony with their hosts and play a vital role in human and ecosystem health. And even though microbes are very small, they form complex relationships in the communities they live in. Now, a microbial community isn't too different from a human community. If you think of your favorite ski town as a community, each resident does a different job. The barista, gear rental guy, food service, but together as a whole, the community's job or function is a ski town. This is the same for microbes. Groups of microbes can do a job together, and that job can change depending on the resources or the environment. Now remember, microbes are just one member of even larger communities. Like the lake pictured here, the microbes are interacting with the plants and the animals and the insects, with each member doing an important job. My research works to understand the types of jobs microbial communities perform and how those jobs might change. But doing a large-scale experiment on a 1,000-acre lake is tough. I have to be able to measure and manipulate the microbial community. So in essence, I need a miniature version of an ecosystem. And that's where pitcher plants come in. Each leaf on a pitcher plant is a cup, and it captures the rainwater and hosts a diversity of organisms, from insects, arachnids, and microbes. Imagine a whole ecosystem that you can hold right in your hand. I use pitcher plants and the microbial communities associated with their leaves to test hypotheses about microbial community function. But why do we care about the teeny tiny microbes on a random carnivorous plant? Well, I studied the pitcher plant system, but you too are a standalone ecosystem. And the microbes that live in you are directly related to your health, just like the microbes on the pitcher plant are related to its health, and how the microbes in that lake are related to the health of the entire aquatic ecosystem. I'm interested in understanding how communities respond to a changing world. From fire and drought, flood and storms, changes becoming more frequent and more extreme. My research works to understand how communities respond to these changing environmental conditions with the hope that understanding these processes on the small scale can help us to protect our planet's diversity on the large scale. Thank you.
So, Jessica, what is your major? What got you down this path?
I'm in the Ecology, Evolution, and Behavior PhD program at Boise State, but I've always been interested in plants and microbes and the fact that there's so much diversity right on surfaces that we don't even know about.
Right. So how far are you from earning your PhD?
I am in my second year, so 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yep.
Great, and thank you.
Thank
you
you.
did a great job. Thank you.
Thank you.